Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Johnson, and I just wanted to clarify what your goals are this week with your abstract value design drawing. You should have first looked over our lesson plans for the week and looked at the examples that I posted on Classroom with sort of what the end product is going to look like. But let's go over what our goals are so you know what you're trying to achieve. So the first thing is, before we left, before happened, we were starting to work on value drawing and contrast using pencil. I understand that you might not have pencils at home, so you could just do this regular. You do not need any special paper. If you have a book, drawing paper, that's totally fine. But if you just have a piece of print paper, do it on whatever you have. You can still practice drawing on anything. You do not need something special. With that in mind, the goals that you should have are to improve your ability to shade with a wide range of values. So, value from light to very dark. Okay, that's our main goal, and that's going to give us contrast so that we can get a sense of light and spatial depth. If you follow the instructions step by step and the different video tutorials that I post for you, then you should be able to achieve this. So that's our very big main goal for our drawing this week. The second thing is to think about composition. And composition means how you are going to lay out your design. So we want to try to have a focal point. That is why in the directions I instruct to make one of the circles or the organic forms larger than the others. Or you can make one of them smaller and the other one's big, but you want to make something different so that it stands out in your design. So this is about what your overall layout and design looks like, composition and design. You want to have a focal point. So make one of the spaces in your design larger than the other ones. And then the others you will recognize because they're always on my rubric. Craftsmanship. So whatever you are using, you're trying to do your very best work by taking care of the materials that you're using, by taking care of your paper, trying to control how you are laying out your marks on your final design. Creativity, always on my rubric as well, just means that you are trying to solve the problem in a unique way. You're not just going to copy an example that I show you. Those are just to show you how to go about it, but really putting on your own perspective and spin on it. I really encourage you to do that. And the last is commitment. How much you are interacting with the lesson, how much effort that you are putting in each day, your commitment to the project and to improvement. Okay, so this has to do with improvement over time. Improvement with practice. So please view the tutorial video, look at the directions and examples, and if you have any questions at all, of course, contact me either in a comment on Classroom, send me a text on Remind, or to my school email. I will be in touch with you soon.